Okay, we have Chaos, Switchblade,
There you go.
Slayer, and Diesel in a 4-way fatal match.
Fatal 4-way. I guess, you know what? Diesel don't know controversy.
Oh.
That's why you don't know controversy. You little
Yeah,
bitch.
and you know what? I can do this one.
Yeah, I can do this one.
Okay, guys, you want to see that? I can do this one. Oh, I can do this one. And I can do this one. Oh. What? I must be.
Oh!
Oh, man. Ow.
Oh!
Ow.
Oh! Uh-oh! Oh!
Ow. Ah.
Do you tap? Does she tap?
Oh!
Ah!
Ow.
Oh!
He did it.
Slayer threw me on you.
Hi. Hi.
Oh! 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 There goes! Oh! Switchblade is punching Slayer. Uh-oh.
Hi.
Work on your bike skills.
Damn it.
Oh!
Hey, Switchblade. Change. Change.
I have the penny!
That's a nickel.
You threatened the penny! I kill him!
Ooh, quarter.
Oh!
Bullshit.
Oh.
Bullshit.
Oh! You!
Uh-oh. Oh! 1, 2. Oh!
Come here.
Uh-oh.
Peace out. Get out of here.
Uh-oh. Choke slam. Leg lock. Oh. Oh, Drew Slayer right into Diesel and Chaos. Uh-oh. The only man standing here is Switchblade.
You shut up.
Slayer just told me to shut up.
Damn right.
And there goes Switchblade. Oh. 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 Punching.
Chokehold.
Uh-oh.
There's no ropes in this match.
Slayer is giving Switchblade the chokehold. Oh!
Try to
There
choke!
goes Diesel getting punched by Chaos.
Punch.
Uh-oh. Chaos doing a punt and oh, it backfired to a choke slam.
Oh shit.
Oh, now that backfired. Oh, DDT. while Slayer and Switchblade, well, Slayer is giving Switchblade the chokehold.
Oh, my balls.
Okay, Diesel broke it.
Hi.
And now, one.
What are you doing? I have no idea.
Oh, and that backfired. And now Slayer's giving Switchblade, well, trying to give Switchblade an arm lock. Uh-oh, here goes Chaos and Diesel. Oh! Oh.
Count.
One. Oh shit! The count for Chaos for Diesel has backfired into a lock, which I can't see.
Night, night.
You stay asleep.
Oh shit! Taki mushrooms.
Goddamn Jew! He's not a Jew. Fine.
John.
Oh,
Oh, Slayer backfired it.
Jew.
Hi. I see you, Wade. He's sleepy.
Uh-oh. Oh!
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 Oh, he said no!
Oh! Oh!
Do you need a stunner?
Oh, shit!
Oh! Oh! Holy shit! He's getting double penetrated by locks. Oh!
Oh, hey, sleepy.
Charcoal.
And Slayer tipped Switchblade over Diesel. And now, Chaos is getting up. Oh, body slam. Uh-oh, Switchblade had.
No. Why are we on here?
Oh, another body slam. Oh, a third one.
Wee! Are you gonna make me do a wee?
No.
Uh-oh. He's taunting. Chaos is taunting. Oh, and backed it into a body slam. And now, neck lock.
Honk honk.
Back into the headlock. Also Slayer and Switchblade. Uh-oh, Slayer's punching. Switchblade is punching Slayer. Oh. Oh. And now, Chaos is taunting, relaxing on